Hello everyone and welcome to Scholarships Corner. Scholarships Corner is back with a very interesting, fully funded opportunity. In this video, we will give you the in-depth detail and the application process of the Kazan Global Youth Summit in Tatarstan 2022. But before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel of Scholarships Corner. Click on subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates on new and interesting videos. Visit our community tab and join our Telegram channel for daily updates on your phone on a daily basis. Click on this link to subscribe to our Telegram channel. Kazan Global Youth Summit in Tatarstan, Russian Federation is one of the incredible opportunities for passionate and responsible youth. Whether you belong to the member states of the OIC or belong to the Muslim minorities of non-OIC states, you are held eligible for this summit. This fully funded summit aims to bring the international organizations, governors of youth policy, youth leaders, entrepreneurs, influencers, and experts to carve out the best practices and build an effective and constructive dialogue among strategic stakeholders. The Kazan OIC Youth Capital 2022 is designed as a decision-making hub for youth that aims to facilitate youth with such opportunities that helps engage them to contribute their part in policy making, discussions, and actions. The motivated young people desiring to be a part of an international youth summit in Russia should grab this opportunity. Youth will become able to establish and implement youth policy practices that support meaningful participation of youth at the OIC region and beyond. Moreover, youth will be able to enrich their knowledge about global issues, critical and creative thinking, and intercultural understanding. Some more details about the program. The host country is Tatarstan. The host organization is the ICYF Islamic Cooperation Youth Forum. The summit duration is 4 days from 27th August to 30th August. Benefits of the Kazan Youth Summit: accommodation will be granted, a transportation facility will be provided, cultural expenses are catered, dining expenses are catered, and flight expenses may be covered by request. The eligibility criteria: youth from OIC member states, Muslim minorities in non-OIC states and Russia can apply. Leaders of youth associations or representatives of international organizations can also apply. Age should be between 18 to 25 years. They must be able to communicate in English, and they must be passionate and responsible towards the objectives of the program. Experience in working on projects on equity of opportunities, mental health, entrepreneurial skills, youth migration, digitalization, intercultural dialogue, and leadership. How to apply for the Kazan Global Youth Summit? Students have to apply through the official website, fill in all the required fields, mention the area of your interest, share your experience in at least 50 words about the area of your interest, ensure to attach the valid passport, and complete your application form carefully and submit it. The deadline to apply for this program is 18th July. Click on Apply Now to start your application. You have to fill this Google form. You have to add in your name as per your passport, add your citizenship, your residence country, your date of birth, your gender, add your phone number, your emergency contact person's detail, email address, link to your social media accounts, your education status, your place of work, position at work, traveling to Kazan from which city, your proficiency in English, the track you would like to participate in, select in which program you're interested. Did you take part in any other youth organization, contest, or events of similar nature? Please tell us about the events you participated in and your positions in these ones. Please share your experience or best practices in the sphere chosen above. Attach your valid travel passport. Do you need financial support for your travel to Kazan? Do you need a visa for traveling to the Russian Federation? Any known allergies? Medical history or prescription drugs? Where did you hear about this program? Hereby I give consent that my personal data may be used by organizations for the event project purposes. I hereby declare that the information provided is true and correct. Tick on I confirm. Before the 2022 Kazan Youth Summit, I confirm that I will have the necessary tests done within the scope of corona precautions and provide the correct information. Click on I confirm and then click on submit. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs and share it with your friends and family.